Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very delicious, very simple marshmallow pineapple French tart. Let's get into it. So for the ginger base, I've got some ginger biscuits that I'm going to crush up and then mix with some melted butter. And then for the filling, it's some condensed milk, some cream that I'm going to whip up, some crushed pineapple, some vanilla extract, and then my cute little baby marshmallows. Now we're going to make the ginger crust for the tart. And what I'm going to do is crush my ginger biscuits. I'm going to use a Ziploc bag, and then I'm going to crush these babies. Beat it, beat it, beat it. And then pour them into the bowl. And then to this, I'm going to add my melted butter and then mix it through. So now I'm going to just grab my pie dish and then just line it. You don't even have to grease the pie dish. Then I just use the back of a spoon just to press the crust into the base of the pie dish and then also up the sides. This baby goes into the fridge until it's a bit solidified. So now for the filling, got my big bowl over here. Then I'm using some cream and I'm just gonna pour into here, and then I want to whip that. To this, I'm gonna add a touch of vanilla, my condensed milk, and then the crushed pineapple, and then I'm going to fold it. Okay, now the rest of the ingredients is incorporated. I'm gonna pour in the marshmallows and just gently fold these through. Okay, that's marshmallows folded in. What I wanna grab is a lemon. Squeeze the juice in. This will help the cream and the condensed milk set and give you a bit of a stiffer consistency for your tart. She's been chilling in the fridge while we're making our filling, and then I'm gonna pour this into the tart dish. Let's go. So smooth it out a little bit. Now this guy goes into the fridge just to chill out a little bit until we're ready to enjoy it. Ooh, how glorious does that look? I am not gonna wait. I'm definitely just going in and dishing myself up a piece. Tastes like festive season at home. Catch you after the ad break.